Today I'm going to show you 2 beginner-friendly woodworking projects you can make from just a little bit of 2x4. All you'll need for these projects are a drill, miter saw, and jigsaw. Let's get started. Alright, for this first project, we'll pull up to the 2-inch mark, and then we'll pull up to the 3-inch mark. From the bottom, we'll pull up 1.5 inches. We'll go ahead and grab a square and make some of these lines straight. Then extend this line just a little bit. Then measure up from the bottom 3/4 of an inch, and then 5/8 of an inch. Now we can go ahead and make both of those lines straight. Now we're going to go cut this out in either a bandsaw or a jigsaw. Now we're going to grab some 120 and give it a massage. Make sure you stick around to the end because I'm going to be giving away something. Now you should be able to grab a matchbox and stick it right in that groove. Just like that. It shouldn't be loose, it should be snug. Now we're going to pull up a 1/2 inch and then we're going to center that mark. And that's where we're going to drill a 1/2 inch hole. And with that bit, you're going to drill down about 1 inch. Doesn't have to be perfect. Now we'll clean up that hole a little bit. All right, now we're gonna torch it, but I about torched it with the matches and that would have been bad. All right, well, this project's done. Here's the final review. Fall is right around the corner, so we're gonna make a pumpkin. We're gonna cut a piece at 3.5 inches. All right, now we're gonna measure from one side and measure 3/4 of an inch. Then we'll measure up 3/4 of an inch. Then we'll do that on the remaining 3 corners. Now we'll set a miter saw to 45 degrees. Then we're going to cut from one mark to the other to snip off the corner. If you don't want to use a miter saw for this step, you can use a jigsaw or a bandsaw. Now we turn it into an octagon. Now we're going to go out and find a stick about 1/2 inch in diameter. I just broke it into a smaller piece just like this. Now we're going to find a drill bit that's the same diameter as this. All right, I just found a drill bit same size. It's a 29/64. And now we're going to drill into the top, make a hole so we can stick the stem in. I just drilled in about 1 inch or so. Now we're just going to give all the pieces a massage. Just like that. You can either paint it orange, white, burn it, or whatever you want to do with it. Now look at this listing right here. Boom, $5. Alright guys, I promised y'all I would do a giveaway, so I'm going to be giving away 10 Barn Door Boy stickers, and all you have to do to enter is make sure you're subscribed, like the video, and comment down below what your favorite video I made is. I'll randomly pick a comment in a week, so make sure you're entered. Alright guys, that's all I have for today. If you want to see my woodworking playlist, I'll put that right here on the screen. And if you want to subscribe, I'll put it right here. Thank y'all for 20,000 subscribers. I'll see y'all next time.